Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about geography. First chapter, the Earth is our living planet. First, what is the meaning of geography? Geography means a study of Earth, nothing but geography. Geo means Earth, graphy means study. A study of Earth, nothing but geography. The Eratosthenes, he was the father of the geography. Who is the father of geography? Eratosthenes. He was the father of geography. See, the first concept is what the introduction of the earth. The earth is the third planet from the sun family. Okay, as if the total geographical area of the earth is 510 million square kilometer. Okay, the shape of the earth, see the original shape of the earth, nothing but what the shape of the earth is called what the geoid. The geoid shape is there. See, for example, the why the earth is called living planet. The earth is the earth our living planet, no, they why the earth is called living planet. The earth is the home for all forms of like plants, animals and human being because of its suitable distance from the sun. Okay, range of the temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere, okay, water cycle, etc. It is the only planet that supports life, that is why, okay, earth is called a living planet. Okay, see for example, see what is it, life supporting gases are there, the atmosphere is there, okay, the water cycle also is there. See, the earth is called by many names like living planet, unique planet, watery planet and blue planet. Okay, these are all the another alternative, another names of the earth. Okay, see for example, which shape is there in earth? Geoid. The original shape of the earth is called what? Geoid. Next, the next concept is what? The size of the earth. Okay, the size of the earth. The earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. The earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. See, the diameter of the earth is approximately 4 times greater than moon. The diameter of the earth is approximately 4 times greater than moon. Like that only, it is around 107 times less than that of the sun. Okay, see, the total geographical area of the earth is 510 million square kilometer, and which the 361 million square kilometer is covered by water and 149 million square kilometer covered by tree. See, in our earth surface, the 71% of the water surface is there, the 29% of the earth surface is there. Different types of water bodies, different types of land masses and land forms, different types of land masses. That is also called what? The large area of earth surface, nothing but the land masses. Okay, different types of land masses, different types of land forms also there in our earth surface. Say for example, the 71% of the water surface and the 29% of the earth surface. Okay, this is the size of the earth. Okay, see for example, what is it? The next concept is, the next slide is what? See, for example, different types of the land bodies and the earth are known as continent. So what is the meaning of continent? The continent means what? The large area of the earth surface, nothing but what? The continent. Okay, see there are 7 continents are there. Okay, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. The Asia is the first largest continent in the world. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. The India and China. The India is also located in the southern part of Asia. Okay, the India and China. Okay, the first and second largest countries in the population growth wise, China and India. Both countries also located in the Asian continent. Okay, then what is it? Australia. It is also called what? Country. It is also called what? Island. Now, what is the meaning of island? Surrounded by four side water, only one side land. That is also called what? Island. That's why I'm telling the land bodies of the earth are known as continent. The large area of the earth surface, nothing but a continent. There are 7 continents are there, mainly, okay, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. The next concept is what? See, ocean. So what is the meaning of the ocean? The continent are land masses of the large size covered with large water bodies are called ocean. So what is the meaning of ocean? The large area of the salt water surface, nothing but ocean. There are mainly, okay, four of oceans are there. See, for example, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean also. Okay, there are mainly seven continents are there, and mainly five oceans are there. Okay, in like that only. See, for example, the world map, the political world map. This one. See, for example, there are mainly seven continents are there. See, Asia continent. See, for example, Africa continent, South America, and North America, and Europe, and Australia. Okay, there are seven continents are there. Okay, so you know the difference between continent and ocean. Okay, the next slide is what is the difference between the latitude and latitude and longitude. See, for example, what is the difference between latitude and longitude? See, the latitude. Okay, latitude means what? Latitude is the imaginary line with joins all the places which have the same angular distance north to south of the equator. Say, for example, what is that? What is the meaning of latitude? The horizontal lines are nothing but what latitude. See, wait like that only. See, for example, what is the North Pole and the South Pole? Say North Pole and South Pole. Say the latitude means what? The latitude, okay, is imaginary lines which join all the places which have the same angular distance north to south. The north to south. Say north to south. That is also called what? The what is it? The horizontal line. For example, the latitude. Okay, latitude means what? Horizontal line. Okay, this one, the horizontal line. The vertical line means what? Now north to south. This one is west to east. Horizontal line. The vertical lines, nothing but what? Longitude. What is the difference between latitude and longitude? The latitude means what? The latitude is imaginary lines which join all the places which have the same angular distance north to south of the equator. In like that only, what is the meaning of longitude? Okay, the imaginary line interest equator at the right angle. Okay, joining the north and south is called what? The longitude. The what is the difference between latitude and longitude? The latitude nothing but what horizontal line, and longitude nothing but what a vertical line. Okay, this is also called what equator. The midpoint of the earth, the center point of the earth, nothing but what equator. Here also North Pole, South Pole, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Like, okay, see next, what is that? What is the meaning of the latitude and longitude? See, for example, here also is there no. See, the latitude and longitude. See, like that only. For example, some important latitudes. Okay, the 0 degree latitude, nothing but what equator. The center point of the earth, nothing but what equator. See, wait, this is also called what the equator. The midpoint of the earth, nothing but what equator, nothing but what 0 degree. Okay, say for example, the 0 degree latitude, nothing but equator. Say for example, 23 and of north latitude, which is also called what the Tropic of Cancer. In like that only, the 23 and of south latitude is also called what the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, say for example, the 66 and of north latitude, nothing but what Arctic Circle. The 66 and of south latitude, nothing but Antarctic Circle. And next 90 degree, nothing but 90 degree north, North Pole, 90 degree south, South Pole. The North Pole and South Pole. Say for example, this is also called what the North Pole, 90 degree north, 90 degree south, South Pole. Say for example, the center point of the earth, nothing but equator. The equator. For example, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. The Indian Standard Time is based on, okay, see for example, 82 and of east, nothing but longitude. Okay, the Indian Standard Time is based on, okay, the 82 and of east longitude. Okay, that's what I'm telling. Okay, see the next concept is what, see what is it? The northern and southern hemisphere. What is the difference between northern and the southern hemisphere? See, northern hemisphere, nothing but what the land hemisphere, the southern hemisphere, nothing but what the water hemisphere. What is the difference between northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere? The northern hemisphere has 60% of the land and 40% of the water. Okay, see, northern hemisphere, nothing but water. This is northern hemisphere, and this one southern hemisphere. Okay, the center point of the earth, nothing but equator, the north pole and south pole, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, see, for example, the northern hemisphere has 60% of the land and 40% of the water, so it is called the land hemisphere. Okay, northern hemisphere, it is also called water land hemisphere. Like that only. The southern hemisphere, has 81% of the water and 19% of the land, so it is called a water hemisphere. Okay, say for example, the 81% of the water. For example, what is it? The 71% in our surface, the 71% of the water surface, and 29% of the earth is there. No, that's what like that only. The northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The next slide is what the local time and the standard time. So, what is the difference between the local time and the standard time? Okay, so what is the meaning of local time? The time according to the longitude of the place or according to the position of the sun at that place is known as local time. Say for example, remember another one more time, local time, the time according to the latitude of the place or according to the position of the sun at that place is known as the local time. Like that only, the standard time. Okay, what is the difference between local time and the standard time? The standard time is what uniform time is based of the country or the meridian on which the most important city in the located. This uniform time which is followed throughout the country is called standard time. This is the difference between local time and the standard time. Okay, say for example, the next for example, different types of uh, landforms and water bodies are there. The land, the different types of land masses, the large area of the land surface, nothing but what continents. Okay, different large land masses, the large area of land, nothing but land masses. That's what I'm telling. The Earth is our living planet. Why the Earth is called living planet? The Earth is the home for all form of like plants, animals, and this is only the suitable place for growing all types of crops and living all types of living organisms. Okay, that's what I'm telling. See, the Earth, the total geographical area of the Earth is called 510 million square kilometer. The original shape of the Earth, nothing but geoid. Okay, see, for example, that's what I'm telling. See, for example, what is the difference between what is it? Local time and standard time? What is the difference between latitude and longitude? What is the difference between northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere? Okay, like that one. What is the difference between the continent and oceans, and how many continents and oceans are there? Okay, say for example, okay, this chapter. Okay, see for example, overall information about the why Earth is called a living planet. Okay, thank you so much for the watching video. Okay, thank you one and all.